Hello, I'm Hans Walter with Adventure Drives, and the video you're about to watch is the how-to on this control panel on our Thor scope. The control panel here is where you can control all functions of the motorhome. Inside the home screen here, we can see we have our tank levels, our light controls, lights on, lights off, water pump, and climate control to turn on our air conditioning, turn off our air conditioning, um, water pump on and off. All these functions exist in the home screen. If I move one menu down, it's more specific to the water. You can see a little teardrop as an icon. It shows you that this is for the water. Don't worry about tank heaters. We'll go over that in a minute. Also, control your awnings. Outside we have an awning. We can extract it and extend it, or sorry, retract and extend it. Next menu down, we have our climate control where we can set our temperature. This climate control is not for the furnace. We will go through that in another session. However, this is for your air conditioning. When you go one further down again, now we can turn on our lights from this menu. We can dim our lights. We have all kinds of control for that. Kitchen, accent lighting, bathroom lighting, outside, inside. It's quite an extensive menu. However, it's pretty straightforward. You can just read what you want to control and control it from there. There's also on the control panel itself, just below this screen, some hard buttons for lighting, which are also very easy to understand. Next one down, this is where power, the little lightning bolt icon, we have where we can check our batteries, we can check our LP, which is the little propane tank, and we can start and stop our generator from here. If I want to start the generator, I press and hold the generator. It'll give it a second, and it will then engage by itself. Now, once we prime it a little bit, we can hit it again, and you'll find that the generator will start. And I don't know if you can hear that, but now the engine has started, or not the engine, but the generator. And the generator, from here, we can also stop the generator. We use the generator only if we need 110 or if we're getting low on battery power and the solar isn't helping to keep the battery charged. From there, the lower one, we can open up vents. We have a vent just above my head here in the kitchen, and there's another vent in the bathroom. We can control both of them from here. All right, thank you for watching. Hopefully that gets you on your way. And of course, at Adventure Drives, we're always there to support you, so call us if you need some more help. Have a great adventure.